Best wishes of the morning, class 11, class 12th, class 12th. Welcome to English Literature Period, Alapsia's online class. Dear students, first book, second book, both are books. Till now, whatever syllabus should be, once I have taught, but in form of revision, I am telling you, it's my expectation that from second book Vistas as second lesson, the Tiger King, Yanmi, and fifth lesson, second book, Vistas. And this notice content, I have put mark up cross. It means these lessons have been deleted from the syllabus this year. Course has been shortened. Okay. You have to study from here, from fourth chapter. The Yanmi I have fourth and fifth. Both I have taught you. I think fifth chapter is going on from this book. So once again I am throwing my focus on this lesson very shortly for your revision. Fifth chapter. Should wizard hit mummy? John Updike. Mission, Should Wizard Hit Mommy by John Updike. Dear students, please listen, be concentrate. Short explanation, clear explanation I am going to give you. Because at standard, I think there is no need to read passage by passage. It is, you are enough for this. As little children love too much to hear stories from their parents, especially at bed of time. Such stories are mostly fables or have no logic behind them. Many times parents make up stories out of their own head. Little children take them as literary true. But as the child grows up, child's brain grows up, develops, he becomes inquisitive. He begins to ask many questions. He begins to put various type of questions belonging to the story. Whatever is told by the parents. He wants to know why and how certain things happen. He wants to know the reason behind things. So there are so many confusions. So the child asks. Sometimes parents take this questioning of the child as an affront. They try to discourage it. They want the child to accept as true whatever is said to him, said to her. Is such an attitude desirable? Story, come to the point story. Student wizard hit mommy. Poses this very question. What is? A father tells his child a story out of his head, means making from his own skill. The child interrupts him again and again, again and again, to know something, to get clearance of few confusions. Child raises questions whenever she feels that child, that's name Joe, that is girl Joe. She raises questions whenever she feels that the story is wrong. Father feels himself caught in an ugly middle position. He does not know whether she or he himself, he thinks himself that he should accept the child's version, argument, and stick to his own. Just type this story. Student wizard hit mommy. This story raises a moral issue and leaves it to reader to resolve it. Now write question answer summary in your own words, and question answer of this lesson will be provided you in form of PDF. In PDF you will write all the question answer in your clear copy very clearly, very fairly. Thanks, have a nice day.